Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for tuning back into Manny Scale Modeling. Gonna do a quick mail call, got a shout out, and we're gonna airbrush the bottom half of the Mercury M100 pickup white, which I think I'm just gonna do Tamiya white because I'm gonna do the top sky blue. So mail call, just a quick got some scale finishes paint. Some interior paint. Gonna do one of these in the Demon. I'm not sure which one yet. I was trying to hold it up to see, but I don't know. I might go with the terracotta, I think. We'll see. What do you guys think? Which one do you think should be the interior? What would look better, the lighter or the darker? Beige or terracotta? Anyway. Awesome, can't wait to try that out. It'll be my first time using the scale finishes, so very excited about that. Then I'm going to put a pretty good order in for some paint, body paint. And got a shop card from Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop. Awesome builds. Been talking to Joe here and there. Awesome guy. Definitely go check out his channel. And give him a sub. Tell him that Manny sent you. Got a sticker. And his other card. Very cool. Lewiston, Montana. Also, Joe, thanks for the kind words on the back. I appreciate it. I'm going to get this hung up. And in a little bit here. So, let's see. I got everything ready to airbrush the Mercury, so let's head over to the Paste Paint booth and get started. I'll get this paint mixed up and we'll meet you over there. Okay guys, we are back. I got the paint all mixed up with some leveling thinner. So we're just going to use the Tamiya anti-static brush. Just do a quick little brush on it here. We're only doing the bottom half to where this is and down. And the bumpers. Tailgate. And the box bed. Okay. I'm just going to set this over here for right now. Alright guys, we're going to be using the GH8068. So paint in here. Alright, let's start with the body, I guess. And when we do the blue, the sky blue, we're gonna mask it off, of course, with the other coat, other color I should say. So we're just gonna do up to that line right there, do a little bit past that. just hit the back too. Not that you're going to be able to see it, but okay. Yeah, I keep hitting the camera. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, I forgot too, guys. We're going to do the rims white. So we'll give those a quick coat. We'll hit those again. We'll do the bumpers. Tailgate. We're just going to do up to that line right there. God, I keep hitting this. I got to get a different stand for this. Alright guys, we'll let this tack up a little bit and we'll come back and put another coat on. So we'll be right back.
Check out Gaahleri airbrushes and accessories. Click on the link below to go check out the Gaahleri website for all of your airbrushing needs.
Okay guys, I'm back and I just looked at the camera and realized I forgot to hit record. I just sprayed this and I did the box and the wheels. So we'll continue with the bumpers. And tailgate. Okay, so those are done. I'll get the brush cleaned up and we'll meet back at the bench and call it done in a few. So be right back, guys. Okay guys, we're back and got the first part of the white done. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do under the bottom of the box. Might just do a black with a weathered frame with them powders from Hobby Lobby. Worked pretty good. Next I'll be doing the blue, the sky blue Tamiya on the top there and get some more work done to it. So let's see, we're gonna do well, I already said about Scale Finishes. Definitely go check him out. There's a link and a code down below to get 10% off. And let's see, yeah, we'll just do the giveaway for the GHAC 98D airbrush by Gaahleri. Awesome airbrush. So comment below and make sure you have 98D in your comment, at least a 98D in the comment. You can put the whole thing, but at least a 98D. And that is this airbrush, which is another, of course, awesome airbrush by Gaahleri. This one has the mirror cup. Easy, very nice to clean, very easy. Awesome airbrush. This one's great for low pressure too. Turn the compressor down to low. Let's see. So don't forget about comment below for the giveaway for the GHAC 98D. Go check out Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop. Tell him that Manny sent you. And I think that's going to be it for today, guys. So have a good rest of the weekend and get some modeling done. See ya.